Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to connect your Govee lights to your iPhone using Bluetooth in the Govee Home app. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Govee Home app installed on your iPhone. Now, open the Govee Home app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, make sure Govee lights is powered on. If it's a tube light, make sure it's plugged in. If it's a bulb, screw it and turn on the switch. Go to your iPhone settings and tap Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. The Govee app uses Bluetooth to find your light. Open the Govee app, tap the plus button at the top right corner of the screen and select Add Device. Choose the type of light you have like LED, strip or smart bulb. The app will start scanning for nearby device. Make sure your Govee light is close to your iPhone. When it's shown up in the list, tap your device to connect. You might see a confirmation message. Tap OK or connect. Once connected, you can now control your lights directly from the app, change colors, adjust brightness, set schedules, or pick scenes all from your iPhone. And that's it. Your Govee lights are now connected through Bluetooth to your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.